Hello grade 7s, hope you are all good. Welcome to lesson 5 of our online learning. Can you believe we've made it through 5 days of online classes? I'm very proud of all your determination, efforts and participation. Please let's keep it going. So today's lesson is a revision lesson of fractions, so everything that you've learned about fractions so far. We'll start with common fractions. Common fractions are fractions that have a small numerator and a large denominator. For example, 2 over 3 and 4 over 6. We also have improper fractions. Now these are fractions that have a large denominator and a smaller numerator. For example, 9 over 4 and 12 over 6. We also have mixed numbers. Now these are whole numbers together with a fraction. So in this example, 2 is the whole number and 1 over 4 is the fraction. You've also learnt about equivalent fractions. The word equivalent means equal. For example, a half is equal to 2 over 4, which is equal to 3 over 6. So if you look at the diagrams I've drawn, all of the diagrams show you a half. So a half, 1 out of 2 pieces. 2 quarters, 2 out of 4 pieces, and 3 over 6, 3 out of 6 pieces. You've also learned how to add and subtract fractions. Now, the denominators must be the same for you to add and subtract fractions. If they are the same, you just add the numerators. For example, if I have 2 over 4 plus 1 over 4, I just add the numerators. 2 plus 1 gives me 3, and it's 3 over 4. If the denominators are different, you need to make them the same by finding the LCD, the lowest common denominator. So in the example, I have 1 over 2 plus 2 over 6. Can you see the denominators are different? So we need to make them the same. The LCD of 2 and 6 is 6. Now, I need to change 1 over 2 and make it a fraction that has a denominator of 6. So what do? I multiply the numerator and denominator by 3. So 1 times 3 is equal to 3. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Now 1 over 2 becomes 3 over 6. Now I can add my fractions. 3 over 6 plus 2 over 6 gives me an answer of 5 over 6. Please remember, the LCD is a multiple that both denominators can divide into. It is also called a lowest common multiple. Now, for the rest of the lesson, I'd like you to please mark the exercise on adding and subtracting fractions, as well as your quadrilaterals worksheet. In our next lesson on Monday, we'll cover multiplication of fractions as well as percentage. Have a good weekend, stay home, stay safe, and see you again soon.